Oh, oh, it's a nice bass. Everyone, and welcome back to Hoosierback Outdoors. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Thank you for joining me. I've had a few things to do this morning. I had to get some gas, get some coffee, had to run to the post office and ship off the reel that Miss Christine from Maryland won in our last giveaway. There will be another giveaway coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you have the notification bell hit. Thanks to Dustin at EDJ Fishing. In fact, if you haven't already, go check out EDJ Fishing. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Go check out his channel. He's got a great channel over there. He's trying to reach 500 subscribers. Go help this channel out and tell him we sent you over. Anyway, Dustin from EDJ Fishing did something in one of his last videos that I've been wanting to do for a couple of years now. And today, we're going to get to go try that. We're going to go try to catch a trout out of a state park here in the county that I live in Indiana. We're gonna go try to catch a fish out of there, and we're taking you along with us. Get the cameras ready, we'll head that way, and we'll see you there. We've made it to this spot. There's a spillway over there, over that way. So we're gonna try under this bridge for a minute. There's supposed to be some trout in here. Whoa, that went down. There's supposed to be some trout in here. We'll try and see if we can catch one or two. Probably get in trouble for parking my vehicle there. Think I will stay here very long. At least not long enough to get in any kind of trouble. Alright, let's try below this riffle here. I don't know how we're going to get past this. May have to walk through the mud. Let's make a few casts over here. Whoa! That is slick. Muddy slick. This is a lure I just got, actually. Used to fish with these when I was a kid. Check this out. It's a Mepps Aglia. How many of you ever fished with a Mepps? Especially when I was a kid. It's starting to rain. It's hunting season. Well, gun season actually opened this morning, and I figured I'd come here. Oh, got one. Hey, look at here. Looks like a little bass. I figured I'd come here so I wouldn't get shot at. Look at here what we got. What have we here? Little largemouth. Oh, what a tiny fish. He come out from that log right when I got it to the bank. Giant. Giant. Well, we're catching bait so far. Hopefully it don't start raining hard. And by the way, I'm fishing the new Shakespeare Excursion 7-foot graphite 2-piece rod with this Zebco Stinger size 20 with 6-pound mono. and we are not skunked. I know that was a tiny, tiny fish, but we are not skunked. We'll take whatever this creek gives us. Oh, there's one. Oh my, that's a nice fish. Looky here. Looky here. Another bass on the Mepps inline spinner. Let me get a hold of him here so he don't hurt us. Look at there. We got another one. Hey, they're getting bigger. I bet you there's some more in here like this. Oh man, he's got a bunch of parasites on him. And he's really, really, really cold. Wow. What a cool fish. Hey, let's see if we can catch another one. I think I'm twisted up down here. Let's see if we can catch another one. Man, that's fun. Well, looks like the Mepps spinner is gonna be the bait of choice. Oh wow, I've been here maybe 10 minutes. Oh, I thought I had another one. I think it was hung on the bottom. I may have been here for 10 minutes. I haven't been here very long at all. Something about cold weather and running water that just keeps them biting. I had a bite right there too. It's real different. I see people's been fishing here before because, oh, there's a bite. Because there's a bobber stuck in that limb over there. There's one. Oh, no. Oh, look. I did it. Oh, it's not a trout. It's not a trout. It is a giant, slimy creek chub. That's crazy. Big old giant creek chub. Oh my goodness. I can actually lip this creek chub. My goodness. Creek chub, shiner, I don't know what people call them, but wow. Call it catfish bait's what you call it. Oh. I was going to take a picture and I dropped him. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll just catch another one to take a picture of. I thought that was a trout. Man, I thought that was a trout. Guess not. Thing that's good about these Mepps spinners is you can reel them extremely slow and the spinner still works beautifully. Well, I guess we're going to stay here a little longer than we first thought. You can see some logs in the water there. There's one. Hey, it's a rock bass. Got us a rock bass. A little red-eye rock bass. Little feller. Oh, yeah. That is 3 different species on this lure. I'm getting bites, but man, they're real touch and go. Just really small stuff pecking at this thing. Man, ain't this beautiful? It's so pretty here. Let's go see if we can try over here on the other side of this fence. I do not see a posted sign. We'll find out. Hey, there's a fish. It looks like a creek chub, which we've already caught your papaw, so I promise you cannot compete. I mean, he buried that in his mouth. Let's see if we can get a picture of this one. Try over here a couple more times. Starting to rain. Starting to rain pretty good. Oh, it's a nice bass. Oh, what a nice creek bass. Oh, let's see if I can get him out of here without him tearing something up. Get him up here. Yes. Whoa. What a nice bass. Oh my goodness. Sweet niblets. What a good looking bass. Wow, he's got a spot on him right there. Looks like he's got stabbed or hooked or shot at, or maybe a turtle got him. Wow. What a nice creek bass. I'll take it. I will take that. He's got a parasite inside his mouth. I don't know if, can you see that? It's a leech. Let's see if we can get that out of there for him, because that'll cause him issues. Nasty. Nasty. All right, man. What a nice one. What a nice creek bass. Yeah, we'll take that. We will take that. Wow, what a great way to end the day. We caught a really nice one there. We caught, 3-4 different species of fish on that Mepps Aglia. A lot of us fishermen fished for that when we were just kids, me included. I went and got me one, and I'm glad I brought it down here to the creek today. That's the only lure that I fished with today, and it seemed to work really well. Thank you for coming. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. We'll see you guys later.